Once you have sent your digital business card, your customer will get a text asking them to reply Start, and then they'll get a link that will direct them back to the digital business card. Once they've clicked on the link, it'll show them how to download the digital business card step by step to their home screen. Once they have added it to their home screen, just click on the icon and it will ask them to accept one more time for the terms and conditions. Now your customers have an easy way to communicate with you straight through your digital business card. They can instant message you. They can also send referrals with Recommend a Friend and view your website, your inventory, and even calculate their own payments.